Hey scientists, today we are going to be talking about something known as the independent variable. The independent variable. Alright, so you may be asking yourself, what is a variable? Well, let me tell you. There are basically two types of variables. A variable is something that can change. So the first one is the independent variable. The second is the dependent variable. And again, like I said, this is something that changes or can be changed. The variable can be anything. For example, in this case, let's go with how many drops of water I can put on a penny. So where are the variables used? In a science experiment? Or in a mathematical equation, sometimes known as x. It's a really bad x. Sometimes known as x. All right, so specifically in a science experiment, as I mentioned, there are two types of variables: the independent and the dependent. So specifically in this lecture, we are going to be talking about the independent variable. So this is a variable that you can change or control. A little bit of a hint here is if you are independent, you are free to change. So remember, a variable is something that changes in your experiment. So let's get to the drops of water on a penny example. So my question, and by question I can also say that this is sort of my hypothesis, I wonder how high I can make the water blob on this penny. So the number of drops of water, this is the independent variable. And it's independent because I can control it. So I can add 10, I can add 5, I can add 4, whatever. I'm in control. I am in control of how many drops of water I put on the penny, because it is the independent variable, which is controlled by me. So I can change or control how many drops of water I put on that penny. 5, 10, whatever. All right, so a quick review. There are two types of variables in a science experiment. The first one is the independent, and the second is the dependent. The independent variable is the one that you can change or control. So there you have it. Welcome to the independent variable. And again, since sometimes scientists are lazy, we can abbreviate that as IV, independent variable. All right. Hope you liked it. Bye until next time.